everybody. Take a walk through the garden. Feel the sunshine. Watch the butterflies fly. We're alive. Morning sunshine paints the sky. Butterflies begin to fly over lilies white and red. Golden blooms where hope is spread. Tomatoes growing on the vine. Banana peppers looking fine. Squashes shining fresh and bright. Every garden filled with light. Roosters crow, the tractor rolls. Country music fills our souls. Every flower, every tree, nature sings in harmony. Hands together, hearts as one. Every day is a little fun. Plant a seed and watch it grow. Share the love and let it show. Butterflies are dancing all around the farm, flying through the flowers with their gentle charm. Lilies reaching for the sky. Dreams are blooming way up high. Every blossom tells a story. Every sunrise brings God's glory. Come along and sing with me. This is where we're meant to be. Oh, 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 oh. We're growing stronger every day. Oh, 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 oh. Love will always lead the way. Orange lilies, yellow bright. Purple blossoms catch the light. White ones sparkle in the breeze. Nature whispers through the trees. Cows are grazing in the fields. Harvest brings a joyful yield. Chickens wandering all around. Simple treasures can be found. Butterflies from bloom to bloom, turning every day to June. Every heartbeat, every smile makes the journey all worthwhile. When the rain begins to fall, we keep growing through it all. When the sunshine finds the smile becomes a spark, shining brightly through the dark. Together we can laugh and grow, sharing all the love we know. Take a step and come along.